Hey everyone, Jamie from Under the Sun Inserts here. Want to go over with you the new 2024 grills that are out in the market now. There's two main differences with the new grill. And if you come over here and take a look, here is one of the differences. So right underneath the headlight, you can see there's a plastic piece that has these rigids on it. That's one difference. And the second difference is so normally you have the honeycomb mesh in the slots, but now the new grills have the honeycomb in between the slots, where the previous models was a full piece of solid plastic that you could not see through. So that is how you know if you have a new 2024 grill for your Jeep Wrangler. So next we're going to go with the installation of your grill insert with the new 2024 grills. First, what you want to do is grab a flathead screwdriver. You have 6 plastic pins along the top that you want to remove. First, just get under one of the pins, twist it a little bit, then get under it completely again, twist again, and it pulls right out. Remove the remaining 5, and now you're ready to install your grill insert. So what you want to do is just pull your grill back a little bit from the top, grab your grill insert, slide it behind, and it's going to rest on top of a couple pins on the bottom. Make sure everything is even, and once that's done, you want to press everything back into place and replace your 6 pins along the top. Push everything down, and once you're done, your grill insert is installed. So now that you have your grill insert installed, some people actually want to see it a little bit more vibrant, so they want to remove the mesh. So we're going to go over that process over here now. We're going to actually take off the whole grill, set it down on a table, and then we'll have to do some modifications. So come follow me. Now that you have your new grill off and you're looking to remove the factory mesh, it's a little bit different process from our previous ones where you can actually take this apart. This is actually molded together, so you will need a pair of snips to clip out the factory mesh, the honeycomb in between. So if you come over here a little bit tighter, show you how this process works. So what you want to do is take your snips and just have the back end, make sure it's along the body of each slot, and just snip. It snips very easy. And then what you're going to do is just go completely around on all slots. Make sure to stay tight along the body again, so you get closest to the grill, not to leave any spurs when you're clipping. Little trick here is I'll clip everything out before we get to the bottom and top piece, because that flat pieces can be a little bit difficult. I'll show you on the bottom end how you can get there. So again, just want to have that right there, squeeze together. If you snip here and then snip on the other side, it removes that piece. Now you can get it from the back side, so you can have a clean cut. So what I recommend doing is just getting it from both sides so you can work at it for a clean cut. And then sometimes if you want to use a bigger snip so you can get through it, that works as well. Now go back to your smaller snips. Grab the big ones again. Now that you have everything snipped out on your new grill, you'll see if you do have a trail cam, you want to make sure that you leave this housing in. That's going to put back the camera and the washer fluid. And then also we recommend not snipping out in between the grill. So next process is again, you're gonna take your insert, pull the grill towards you, slide it behind, make sure everything's lined up, push everything into place, replace your 6 pins, drop your hood, and your install is installed.